going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make some Maaza Guava juice drink ice cream rolls. I've actually never had one of these. I believe it's an Indian drink. So let's go ahead and open it up and give her a try. Let's just try it by itself. That's pretty good, actually. Wow. I feel like I've had something similar to that taste before. Little cream and sweetened condensed milk. If you guys are ever wondering where I got this machine from, I got it off of Amazon, and it is called a TFCFL. Alright guys, I don't think I'll be able to get these to roll, so I'm just going to go ahead and do them as squares. A little whipped cream, a little bit of Hershey's chocolate syrup, Alright guys, let's go ahead and give this a try. Guys, this stuff is good. Well guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and you guys have a good one.